gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have a few more Valentine DIYs. Now, this will be my last Valentine DIY video since Valentine's Day is just a few weeks away, and then we're going to be jumping into some really fun, unique St. Patrick's Day DIYs. I'm really looking forward to those videos. I have a lot of fun ideas. So without further ado, let's jump into what I got for you today. Okay guys, for this first DIY, I'm going to take some more of those Batman Valentines that I got in a mystery box, and I'm going to do the same technique for those of you who saw the video last week by taking this self-adhesive bling wrap that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut little strips of it, and I'm going to outline the edges of these Valentines to make them look better, a little more upscale, and not like they're from a little kid's Valentine box.
Think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose.
Okay guys, now that that's done, I'm going to take these wooden skewers and I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the top part of the skewer to attach these two sides of the invitations together. You can get skewers very inexpensively at like Walmart and places like that.
This time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure.
Okay guys, now that that's part done, we're going to move on to the next step, and I'm going to take one of those Batman Valentines and this glitter heart that I got from the Dollar Tree. I first pulled out the top part of that. I just don't like having that on there. I just think it gets in the way and it doesn't look very good. Add a couple of dabs of glue and we're going to glue that to the center of this heart.
Gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts.
Okay guys, so we are ready to assemble, and I have one of those potting platers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to take a wooden skewer and I'm going to poke it down into the center of the styrofoam I've already added to the container, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the glitter heart to the skewer, and that's going to be our starting point. So after that, I want to add some, I think this is like baby's breath flowers type situation. I'm going to add some of those into this little display. I'm going to go ahead and decide how long I need those to be, and then I'm going to cut them off with some wire cutters wherever I think it will look best into this arrangement. Now, I had trouble poking them into the styrofoam because this isn't regular styrofoam. It's like from packaging that I had, and I couldn't get those through there, so I ended up using a wooden skewer to pre-hold them into place and then just continue adding them in as I see fit. Okay guys, now I'm just going to continue adding some more of the Valentines into this little display. I think I ended up making 6 that I added into this and just put them wherever I thought that they would look nice. And after I add all of those in, you guys are going to see me add some more flowers and then some other embellishments just to beef up this little flower arrangement display.
Down, down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you don't know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know that you don't know. No, it's no more, no. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. We don't know. No, it's no more. No more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I was at the wrong place.
Okay guys, the last thing that I'm going to do to finish this off is use some tissue paper that I got from the Dollar Tree that's Valentine themed, and I'm just going to stick that into the bottom part of this little flower arrangement just to keep everything into place. As you can see, it's still bobbling around. This is going to help keep everything into place and just finish it off and make it look really nice.
I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
Okay guys, I'm finishing up putting the last pieces in, and here's my display. Yay! Didn't turn out exactly how I saw it in my head, but I still think it turned out pretty cool. Okay guys, for this next DIY, I'm going to take this wreath that I got at a thrift store, and I'm just going to pull all these flowers out, and I'm actually going to throw them away, guys, because they are so faded and they're just not usable in anything that I would want to display. So I'm just going to pull all of the flowers out first, and then we're going to move on to the next step.
Everything that was on our mind. Talking to you, give me
Okay, so here's what it looks like with all the flowers out of it. Now we are ready to assemble. So I have all these flowers that I got from random places. I mean, some of them from garage sales, some are from the Dollar Tree, etc., etc. So what I'm going to do first is go ahead and push all of the leaves to the edges of these roses here, and then I'm just going to cut them all off with my wire cutters.
I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder.
Okay guys, so now that I have all of that done, I'm ready to start assembling. So I am just going to poke these into place, guys. I don't think that any glue or zip ties or any of that is necessary. I think that they will stay just fine without adding all of that extra stuff, and it gives you the option to change this out to something else later in the year. So I'm just going to add the baby's breath and the roses where I think that they look best and make it look as full as I possibly can. So I'm using everything that I have left here. I didn't want to buy anything else for Valentine's Day, so I'm trying to make this go all the way around, and then I realized that I have a lot more left over, so you're going to see me add more as I see what I have left available.
I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. 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 I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights.
Okay guys, so now I have this ivory colored baby's breath, and I want to go ahead and work that in as well, just to make it look a little bit more fuller than it does now. I just didn't feel like it looked full enough, so I'm going to go ahead and stick all of that into place.
Our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time.
Okay guys, so now I have another one of those glitter hearts from the Dollar Tree. I'm first going to pull out that top piece because I just don't like it. And then we're going to go ahead and tie this into place with some twine. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And I apologize, I go off camera a little bit here, but you guys can get the idea of what I'm doing here.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard.
Okay guys, once I tie this into place, I do add some baby's breath and some roses off camera to cover up that twine. Once I add those few additional embellishments, here it is. Guys, I think it looks so pretty. This was such an easy, affordable way to make a beautiful Valentine's wreath. Let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed these Valentine DIYs and found some inspiration from what I showed you in today's video. Normally I do my geeky DIYs on Tuesdays, but I have quite a few geeky unboxings that I need to get through, so I decided to go ahead and sneak one in on this video just so that I could get it in, because it was an idea that I had that I thought might inspire somebody. You can use whatever type of Valentines you want to use for that DIY. I just had the Batman ones and I wanted to get those used up. Alright guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! will be my last Valentine DIY video because Valentine's is just a few weeks away. Then we're going to jump into some really fun, unique St. Patrick's Day. Forgot the next holiday. All right, try it again. I have quite a few geeky unboxings that I need to get in for the Tuesdays, so I decided to go ahead and put what I had planned to do this week into this video. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed these Valentine's DIYs and you get some inspiration from what